Hi, today we'll be taking a look at Coforge Limited, one of India's largest IT companies. Coforge Limited was founded as a software development company as a division of the National Institute of Information Technology. The company was initially focused on the Indian market, but it quickly expanded its global reach. In recent years, the company has grown rapidly, both organically and through acquisitions. The company has also expanded its focus to include new industries, such as healthcare and retail. Coforge is now a leading global digital services and solutions provider with over 20,000 employees and offices in over 20 countries. Let's get started on the stock analysis of Coforge Limited. But before that, let me introduce ourselves. We are PA Wealth, an investment services group. We offer stocks, PMS, mutual funds, alternative investment funds, insurance, and startup investments. Every week, we upload research videos on different companies, mutual funds, and financial topics. To stay up to date on the latest trends and insights, subscribe to our channel. Let's begin with a brief introduction. Coforge Limited was founded in 1981 as NIIT Technologies Limited, a software development company by NIIT Limited. In 2018, the company changed its name from NIIT Technologies Limited to Coforge Limited. The new name, Coforge, is a combination of the words co and forge, which represent the company's commitment to collaboration and innovation. In May 2019, NIIT and the founders' family members sold a total stake of 30.2% in Coforge to Hulst BV, an affiliate of Baring Private Equity Asia. Now, let's take a look at Coforge's revenue segments. First, geography-wise revenue. The pie chart shows that the Americas is the largest source of revenue for Coforge, accounting for 49.93% of its total revenue. Europe, the Middle East, and Africa is the second largest source of revenue, accounting for 38.9%, followed by Asia Pacific at 7.26%. India is the smallest source of revenue, accounting for 3.91% of the total revenue. Second, service-wise revenue. The pie chart shows that application development and maintenance is the largest segment, accounting for 26.2% of revenue. Data and integration is the second largest segment, accounting for 23.5% of revenue. Cloud and infrastructure management is the third largest segment, accounting for 18.3% of revenue. Intelligent automation is the fourth largest segment, accounting for 12% of revenue. Product engineering is the fourth largest segment, accounting for 10.1% of revenue. Business process management is the sixth largest segment, accounting for 9.9% of revenue. Third, vertical-wise revenue. The pie chart shows that BFS is the largest vertical, accounting for 30.72% of revenue. Insurance is the second largest vertical, accounting for 22.65% of revenue. TTH is the third largest vertical, accounting for 19.12% of revenue, while others account for 27.51% of revenue. Now, let's take a look at the management who are responsible for Coforge operations. Basap Pradhan is the chairman of Coforge Limited. He has had a successful career spanning IT services, technology and consumer marketing. He started his career with Hindustan Unilever in India in consumer marketing. Subsequently, he spent most of his career at Infosys Limited. Mr. Pradhan is a graduate of the Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, and the Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. Sudhir Singh is the Chief Executive Officer of Coforge Limited. He joined Coforge in May 2017. He brings experience across Unilever, Infosys and Genpact to bear on his current role at Coforge. He has 24 years of industry experience with an exceptional track record of execution, driving robust revenue and margin growth. He is a graduate of the Indian Institute of Technology and the Indian Institute of Management. Now, let's take a look at the shareholding pattern of Coforge. The mutual funds have the largest stake in the company, at 27.73%. The promoters have the second largest stake in Coforge, at 26.63%. Foreign institutional investors have the third largest stake in Coforge, at 24.78%. The public has the fourth largest stake in Coforge, at 11.48%. Other institutions have a 9.47% stake in Coforge. As of September 2023, promoter Hulst BV has liquidated its stake in Coforge. Now, let's take a look at the cost structure of Coforge. The pie chart shows that the largest cost category for Coforge is employee cost, which accounts for 60.24% of net sales. Selling and administrative expenses are the second largest cost category, accounting for 14.83% of net sales. Other manufacturing expenses account for 7.42% of net sales, while raw material expenses, power and fuel costs, and other expenses account for a combined 1.52% of net sales. Now, let's take a look at the financial performance of Coforge Limited. The table shows the financial performance of Coforge from the financial year 2014 to 2023. The company's net sales have grown from 2,304.99 crore rupees in financial 2014 to 8,014.6 crore rupees in the financial year 2023 at a CAGR of 14.85% over the past 10 years. The company's PAT has grown from 238.15 crore rupees in financial 2014 to 745.1 crore rupees in financial year 2023 at a CAGR of 13.51% over the past 10 years. The company's debt-to-equity ratio has increased to 0.2 times in the financial year 2023. The company's return on equity has improved from 18% in the financial year 2014 to 24.2% in the financial year 2023. Now, let's hear what the management has to say about the company's prospects. Coforge's consolidated revenue for the financial year 2023 grew 24.6% to 8,014.6 crore rupees. Coforge Limited achieved the $1 billion revenue milestone a year before what was originally planned. Coforge is now targeting a revenue milestone of $2 billion. The company is setting up a low-code, no-code service line to focus on developing industry-specific use cases. During the financial year 2023, Coforge signed 11 large deals. This included 2 over $50 million and 5 over $30 million contracts. Coforge announced a Center of Excellence dedicated to exploring applications of Web3 technologies and the metaverse. The BFS vertical registered stellar growth of 47%, the TTH vertical grew by 21.5%, and the insurance vertical growth declined by 3.7%, while other business verticals collectively grew 23.1% year-on-year. Employee utilization stood at 81% for Q1 of the financial year 2024 versus 81.5% for Q4 of the financial year 2023. Analytics, automation and cloud service lines would be the growth drivers for the next 3 to 5 years. The 12-month employee attrition rate till Q1 of financial year 2024 stood at 13.3, one of the best in the IT industry. That's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more research-based financial content. In the comments below, let us know what topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching.